Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on implementing input cooldown in Unity. Input cooldown is a mechanism used in game development to prevent a player from spamming a certain input repeatedly in a short time. For example, if a player can jump or shoot in a game, input cooldown would prevent the player from continuously jumping or shooting in quick succession. To implement input cooldown in Unity, we will be using a C# script and the input class. Let's start by creating a new script called input cooldown. Open the input cooldown script and add the following code. In this script, we have set up a cooldown time for the input and a boolean flag to prevent the input from being triggered while the cooldown is active. On every frame that the player presses and holds the left mouse click, we check if the cooldown is active. If it's not, we initiate the cooldown by starting a coroutine, and then the spawn sphere method will spawn a sphere at the mouse pointer position. The cooldown coroutine sets the isCooldown flag to true, waits for the specified cooldown time, and then resets the isCooldown flag to false, enabling the input again. This ensures that the input can only be triggered once the cooldown period has passed. To implement this script, you need to attach it to the main camera. In the inspector, you will find the cooldown time variable. This variable determines the duration of the cooldown. Now, let's test the functionality. Enter play mode and hold the left mouse click anywhere on the screen. You will notice that spheres are getting spawned on every frame at the mouse positions. This happens because the cooldown time is set to 0, meaning the cooldown is not active yet. To see the cooldown in action, set the cooldown time to 0.5 seconds. Now, hold the left mouse click again anywhere on the screen. As you can see, spheres can only be spawned once every half a second, even if the input is sent repeatedly. Feel free to modify the cooldown time according to your game's needs. Additionally, you can customize the input key and add additional inputs to the script as required. That concludes this tutorial on implementing input cooldown in Unity. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.